What we have in our studio this time is a Google Home Mini. Let's see how this artificial intelligence powered speaker works. To stay updated with all the awesome tech we review, hit the subscribe button. For just $49 or 5,000 Indian rupees, the Google Home Mini comes equipped with Google Assistant, which is always available to find you answers, turn on the tunes, dim the lights, start a TV show, and more by using nothing but just your voice. You will find fabric texture on the top of this device with matte plastic on the bottom half. Although the top fabric seems to be just for looks, but it actually reacts to your touch in a few areas. For example, tapping the top pauses and resumes play. We also have a mute button on the side, which shows it's activated by the orange color. Inside the box we get the normal micro USB power cord and some basic paperwork. Let's now get this paired with my phone by downloading the Home app from the Play Store. The process seems quite simple, as you just have to log in using your Google account, allow the location access, and post that it starts searching for your device. It took about 2 to 3 minutes to detect the device. Now let's begin connecting to this Google Home Mini. Once it's connected, it shows a beep just like this. Post confirming that you heard the sound, now we need to decide the room in which this device is placed. Post connecting to the Wi-Fi, this device is all good to go. Tapping on left and right side of the device increases and decreases the volume as well. The only thing missing seems to be the aux connectivity. There are two ways to play audio from your phone to this speaker. One is via Bluetooth and another is audio casting.
Okay Google. Hello.
Hi there, how can I help?
Can I change your accent?
I'm afraid you'll have to put up with this one for now.
Okay Google. What can you do for me?
Here are some suggestions. You can say Tesco stock price or who plays for Manchester United. Do you want a couple more ideas?
No.
Sure. Remember, you can always ask what can you do. You can also see more examples in the Google Home app.
Okay Google. Play Faded by Alan Walker.
Okay, Faded by Alan Walker. Here it is on Ghana.
Okay Google. Play Alone by Marshmello.
Alone by Marshmello. Sure. Playing on Ghana.
Now guys, let's now try out some audio casting. As you can see in the Ghana app on the top and side, we see the audio casting option and the device name is shown as bedroom itself. Now after clicking on this song, All Falls Down,
what's the trick? I wish I knew. I'm so done with thinking through all the things I could have been, and I know you wanted to. All it takes is that one look you do, and I run right back to you. You cross the line, and it's time to say F you. What's the point in saying that when you know how I'll react? You think you can just take.
Now I am changing the song from my phone.
We the best music. Another one. the trick, money never lie. I'm the one. I'm the only one.
This is not a complete speaker. This might be a great supplement for your smart home by adding voice recognition all around, but this alone cannot be the one to let your ship sail. Make your choice wisely. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please put them down below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Bye bye.